We all know that the Maruti Suzuki Swift is one of the best selling hatchback of the country. It's not only the best, but also the worst in terms of safety, which was proved a month ago by Latin NCAP crash test, which resulted in a shocking 0-star rating for the most selling hatchback of the country. The Latin NCAP did show us how the Swift will perform in the frontal impact test and the side barrier test, but they didn't tell us how this hatchback will react when hit from the rear. And now we have an example for that, and that's even more shocking than the Latin NCAP's crash test rating. And here's the picture of a Suzuki Swift which received a massive impact from the rear, and this level of damage to this car was done by a two-wheeler, Hero HF Deluxe. That's one of the most affordable offering in the two-wheeler segment available right now. As you can see, the Swift above has a completely destroyed rear end. The sheet metal has deformed completely, and so the bumper. Luckily, everyone involved in this accident are safe, but it pains to see the Swift taking a huge impact. Meanwhile, the Hero HF Deluxe looks largely fine. Sure, its bikini fairing got misaligned and one of its rear view mirror has broken out, but you can see the tire, rim and even the forks are completely fine. In fact, at first glance, the motorcycle seems to be perfect in shape. A 2000 rupees of a service cost will definitely help the bike to regain its original form. But looking at the hatchback, I am extremely feeling sorry for the Swift owner. On the other hand, I don't know how much will help the hatchback to regain its original form. And even if it's done, we can't believe that this hatchback will ever withstand an impact like this. It will be a worst case scenario. A reworked chassis will not be as good as the original factory made. Choosing a car is up to you, but when you're looking for safety, definitely do consider this.